how to add another account on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Ben Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can add another account on Facebook. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy. On your iPhone device, what you want to do is you want to open up your Facebook application. Once you do so, you should be logged into your account, right? Now in order to add another account, at the bottom of your screen you can see various options that says Home, Friends, You, Video, Marketplace, Notifications and Menu. You want to simply tap on the menu option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you do so, you shall get an interface like this. Now here what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down below until you find the option Logout. Now simply tap on Logout option, and then it'll ask you for the login info, save or unsave. You can simply tap on save or unsave and then simply tap on Logout option. Once you do so, you'll be logged out of your account. Now in order to log into another account or add another account, you want to simply tap on log into another account at the bottom of your screen, and once you do so, it'll ask you for email and phone number. You want to simply tap on enter in your email and phone number, and you can tap on login and you'll be able to log in. Once you're logged in, what you can do is you can simply log out, and you can see I have multiple profiles saved. If you have saved your credentials, and you can simply tap on any one of the profile and you'll be able to log in. So this way you can add another account on Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.